Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share some tips on how to improve your spoken English in class. Firstly, it's important to practice speaking English every day. Even if you don't have anyone to practice with you, you can still talk to yourself in English or record yourself speaking and listen back to it. Secondly, try to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Watch TV shows and movies, listen to English music and podcasts, and read English books and articles. This will help you pick up new vocabulary and improve your pronunciation. Thirdly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning a new language, so embrace them and learn from them. Fourthly, ask questions in class. If you don't understand something, don't be afraid to ask your teacher or classmates for help. This will not only help you understand the material better but also improve your speaking skills. Lastly, practice speaking with native speakers. If you have the opportunity to speak with someone who speaks English as their first language, take advantage of it. This will give you the chance to practice your speaking skills in real life, sitting and receive feedback on your pronunciation and grammar. So, those are my tips for improving your spoken English in class. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing and don't give up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.